moves up and down. So you've got to allow for that. Not too much like this, exaggerating it. You just got to allow them to move their legs. Aren't I today? So I just want to teach you just the basics of turning. Right, so to go forward to halt, Arianna, what I want you to do is grab the legs up to the fingertips and then move around. Okay? So we're going to walk on and then we'll do a turn. We're going to ride straight, so make sure your reins are even now. Just shorten them up a little bit more. Ride her in a straight line and then we'll go through it again. Alright? Okay, so what I want you to do to turn, I want you to open that hand out towards me. Now take the go, and then the other leg slightly further back. Just bringing it out to the side, not too high. Yeah. If it comes too high, shorten your reins a little bit. Okay? So just move your hands forward up the reins again, because when your hands come over here, that means they're too long. Perfect, perfect. The moment they come back again, that's because they're too long. Now, turn her that way, open that rein, use your hand back. Good. Alright, lovely. Let's keep on that side. This is not a riding school pony, she's a little bit rusty. She's lovely, but you know, she's not, I have to stop keeping up with her. Right, let's do a turn across here. Good girl. That's better with a hand. Lovely. And then hands together to ride her straight. Alright? You want to go that way again, open that rein. Good, perfect. You're doing it without me leading it now. Okay? Hands together again, ride her straight. Fine. So make sure you can just feel her. Good.
She's got one leg back.
Yeah, we weren't practicing our square halt speed, don't worry. Right, have you got... I don't want to keep getting in the rain shot.
That's alright.
So we're going to ride a straight line to there, and then we'll turn up that way, okay? So straight line. And the hands, they should be as wide.
Go this side, then you can't see running.
Just putting a bit of...
Keeping the lower leg.
Do it when she's standing up.
Underneath, without moving it back. Keeping it out there, you'll find it easier. Just finding that balance without you wanting to fall back. And again. Good girl. Alright, and then one more. Okay, and then back into walk position. We'll walk on. I want you to do that in the walk. Okay? So again, hands up. Just shorten the reins a little bit.
I fixed them.
Is it?
Okay, walk on.
Ah.
Lower leg